You want to show all your friends? You want to show all your friends at Chester County how happy you are? Okabus. Say Okabus. Say thank you. Say thank you, thank you, thank you. Okabus. Say thank you. And we named him Munchkin. Munchkin. Wah. Wah. And he's been eating ground beef. Yes, ground beef. He likes ground beef and rice. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. Look at that face. Oh, look at that face. Oh, he always bows down. Oh, my God. Sherry, this could be trouble. This could be trouble. Trouble, trouble, trouble. Trouble, trouble, trouble. I knew. Oops. Fix here. And he gets along with the other dogs. He said, "Do I like other friends? I like Okabazu." What? You good boy? You good boy? Look at that face. I could just kiss that face off. Oh, miss. The hardest part was giving him that doxy this morning. Oh, my God. Wrangling a 4-pound chihuahua. Yeah. It's like a wet fish.